You deserve something quick and, of course, delicious to enjoy with your favorite beverage. Sound good? Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have an amazing recipe for you with Turkey Veggie Nacho Skillet. So let's get started. Let's prepare the ground turkey. Feel free to use your favorite protein. Let's build the dish. Set your timer for 10 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Nachos were invented in 1943 by Ignacio Nacho Anaya in Mexico. The dish was a quick snack for American military wives, and they've since become a global favorite. Nachos are now served in countless variations, from gourmet restaurant versions to fast food staples. Looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Let's get a portion on a plate. Finish with jalapenos. And of course, chopped parsley or cilantro. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's really good. Lean ground turkey for a lighter protein boost, a rainbow of veggies for color and texture, gooey melted cheese and crispy tortilla chips that are perfect for busy weeknights, meal prep, or game day snacking. This one-pan wonder is bursting with flavor and ready in under 30 minutes. You and your guests will absolutely love it. Let me know what you think of this recipe. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like something great to enjoy with your favorite beverage. Stay with us, watch the next videos.